da ka jing Snohkti bat pynrem ya ka jingjia ya kana chat penrio ha Manipur ba khamtam haten ba koi ka video ka pau perthai ka jingsha penya ling khoi kya no kin thai ki bere ki chat penrio ko ki zo ka kan hon Manipur support group jang ka jala Meghalaya menta ka siu break lami pat ba da ka jing alang hadan bas ko suer ka badan halam khra kane ka jing alang di spang ot ki pat ba ki babun ki de ki samla puli ki ba de na ka than chate lamingi ka India ki ba shong basa nong ba shalong kilawan ai ban ne Snohkti lang but I think ne kane kan hon haringkat ki plakat ki bathau pynrem ka sarkar Manipur baru ek sarkar deng kom kata ka jing solam mi ki tu ki blakhla no kane ka sngi la palong ru ka jing thang mom beti ka brawan chimenta lang ru uba idol ba nongrom MLA ka no shillong pastor ka soi borlang perto kong Angela rangat kong Patricia mukhem bakiwek pe ki reo pakman
unleashed, for every home that has been burnt down, for everybody who has been displaced and who has to look for a new home today from Manipur, for the rapes, the ones we know of and the ones that have not been reported as yet. They have to be held accountable for what happened to our two sisters. It is the government we will ask to respond. It is the government that has to give us answers. We will not fight each other. We refuse to make enemies. But what we have is this, the power of coming together like this, of shouting for peace, for love, for justice, and of saying that we will not allow the government to continue in your name or my name the crimes that they are perpetuating today in Manipur. Friends, we had a smaller meeting before this because we in Shillong care for you. We know that many people have had difficulties when they try to find refuge in our city. And it is our shame. It is a shame for us from Shillong if we have been unable to respond to your heart, to be able to meet the needs that you require as people fleeing a conflict. But beyond that, we are all here today, and our voice needs to be heard. It needs to be heard by Biren Singh. It needs to be heard by those extremist groups that have been raised on the soil of Manipur. They do not represent you, my friends. Those groups in their black t-shirts and black pants are not you. They are not us. They are not us. They are elements that have been groomed for hatred, and we will isolate them. in power who are raising such groups. Once again, friends, this is the beginning of our solidarity, and we cannot give up hope. We cannot say that there's no going forward from here. I have friends who had lived through a conflict in Manipur 20 years ago. But things in Manipur were looking up. Young people were returning to do business, to work, to be with their families. How dare some groups come and disrupt this dream? And gatherings like this, my friends, is what will stop such groups who are full of nothing but hatred. So once again, this
Hagi jagalum, but hagi jagatan. But I hagi ga janme, in shim ya gawai garai. Bangin ong em ya gajing ya omsam, bangin ong em ya gajing ya isi, in ong em ya gajing le bijat, but ya gajing badbor, ya gigantay gikna giklung, bangin ong em ya gatma kapinjat. Kajing isi, but kajing omsam, kapinjat, yagi, haki emlang kasalang kajongi. But kung rong song sonong jong kani ka nongba asilong, nasim yagi ka kabu ngan kerpat, yagi dorbar sonong, yaga district administration, but yaga jilla borokaway, ki don ki para mensim, ki para brio, ki balawan ban pet yap, nagatma, nagating, ban nagasam, nagajilla Manipur. Kipoy na kanongba kajongi, snobha, yarap yaki, kershan yaki, nang bakin na, bakin taybiang, yaga jingim kajongki, nang ne sakmat, kublai siya mo. Thank you very much. What do we want? What do we want? What do we want? What do we want? When do we want?
Like them. And we cannot bury them. They are still lying in the morgue and they are not kept properly. It is worse than the animal. Even the animal, we don't treat them like that. And how come we talk about peace now? We want to be separated. We want separate administration. We want cookies, all people. We want only separate administration. Please, government of India and the people in the parliament, listen to us and please grant us this. This will be the only solution.
I'd like to invite you
How do
again
you see the
to the
government
litany that we read
dealing
in the
with this
beginning.
They are not dealing with anything. They are only siding with his community, the Meitei people. Even while we are raped and tortured, they say they are still on their side. I think all the media must be knowing. I am not lying. My people are not lying. Still now they are hiding something behind. And if the video is not viral, nothing will be done till now. Only they are waiting for the viral video. If the video is not viral, Manipur will be burning and nobody will understand our problem. And people thought we are lying, but we tribals, we are not lying. We are a truthful people, we are a very good citizen of India. Your name?
The video was not viral, these things will not be happen. Even the parliament, the CM of Manipur will not speak out till now. Luckily, God has helped us. We are standing still. We are standing the truth, with the truth. Till now, we don't want to speak lies. We want to stand with justice. We want to stand with the truth. So that's the reason now it's coming out and God has revealed all the truth now. This is how no peace will be. So, for Manipur, for the tribal people, unless justice is served, how can we have peace? Because the government is totally siding with the old people. The government,
people used to say.
that's the people of the valley people are still scattering all the videos because in tribal areas, all the nets are shut down and we can't do anything. We can't have any communication. But we tribal cookies or people still we spare the people who are still stuck in our tribal areas. But They did not spare the women, the children, and the old ladies and the disabled people. They are not spared. So how can we live with them in Manipur peacefully? So that now the last and the final solution is separate administration is the only solution. Even our domestic animals, the dogs are not spared. They keep on burning. This is how the situation of Manipur happened in Manipur. So unless justice is served, unless separate administration is there, no solution. Only solution is separate administration for Kuki-Zo people. The truth, we want to stand with the truth. We don't want to speak lies. We want the people of Manipur, the ladies are facing is, we don't want even for enemies to face those things. We should respect human bodies. We should respect God has given us our body. God has given us everyone has mother, wife, daughter. We should respect each and every one of our body. Why they are showing in every step to the government and everywhere the sunrise first they try to block with their naked. They want to show their naked. They have to respect their bodies so that God will stand in every area. That is only what we want. Separate administration is what we want. The only solution for justice. Thank you. That's all.
Kini ke jingjia lang kibriu jongka neka sorba lang ki parlok jongi kibana Manipur kidon kiba petwir nakadaw badon kajingya kanat kajingya umsnam hakari jongki nyawan lang mentasi ban pau ban condemn ya ka sarkar Manipur ringkat bat ka sarkar union government jong Modi namar kani ka civil war palang no kumkatma ha Manipur kamnum dalong haru kane lada kitu kibriu kibadan hakabor kimdon kti hakane ngitip bakatu kane benai demaki kibalasdang ban hikai kibalasdang ban ai yaki arms and weapons yaki katu kane ki group ngitip baki kan shoot maki ban penmi kane kajinga kan at hapadeng ar ngut kijat benriu handrei mentah kaladai kapor bangimdei banyak kedokti wei ngidei bani bo sharut kata kajing snow ya pher jat benriu khamtam hangta ha Manipur kini ki ar ki meitei bat ki kuki kamdon jingmut banyak kedokti wei baro mangi manga mapi bat ki briu jong ka Manipur ngidei ban kedokti ya ka sarkar nama ka kamram jong ka sarkar ban pej bangi emsup ban pej bamdon kajing sha penyap kajing sha lutte kajing sha thang ki yeng ki sem kajing sha le be ijot ki kenthai hendrei habaka sarkar khabrip bat om tang bakasha hendrei ka yarap ru le se ban company shu gini ki kenrum kenram mota ka don ai shalendet bat manga mapi ru ki briu hasalong ngidi ban sungthu bangi ngi don hakane ka north east habadon ka jing ka civil war ha Manipur kam jingai nangi ban ngi ban sungthu ru ki don kini ki bor ki bakwa ban pen kulmar kumne kan don ko ka por bakin wan pen kulmar bat hasnong jonga jongpi man katangi hab reject yakani ki politics of hate baki ong politics of division and this fascistic powers and fascistic government ni hab ban hold them accountable for what has happened. Patriarchy ka bamut ka jing persang ban sim ka bor ban nyon ki wei kani kala ban song haki shinrang ne haki kenthai ki don ru ki kenthai ki ba palat ru karkom perkhat bakin peni ka ka bor hajrong ki wei pat ya kum kata ka jing long lada ki de kenthai ne shinrang ba peni kata ka bor ngi dei ban object bat ban protest lang ki don ki kibre ki bade ki nong song jaka shalong ki khasi jantia ki bamdei khasi ki ba ki bade ki bre jong ka shalong but ki mizo kuki chin groups ki don ki meite ki ba don lang bani mane baro ngi wan kum kita ki bre ki ba don kata ka jing snowlam iwe badru ka jing kit clear Namar ba ngatarai kamdeng su kopor bangin sngap jar. Kabama bha bangin sngap jar. But iwe isuru habangi pertas la persa. Ya kajing sya le ben kajing thok ka injustice mo baki ong. Kadon hi ka ba kaban yarap pan wan lam pade kata ka jing sup. Nda yo I ka tu kajing le aklam akor ki tu ki riu kan thai kajing le bi jot yaki. Kala dei de upat bur. Iwe bri ba don lang hang tu. Iba le se iba khalam sakti makna tu ka kan thai hri ba ya lang ba ka tu ka mob. Balik pet hang tu. Baro kilong guilty. What ka anju ka ong ta ka criminal law procedure code ka ong ta. But kandai ka babha lada iwe bri ba don hang tu isap saja. Kham tam kitu ki bada betin ki ba lam ki ba takti kitu ki kan thai. But kalong ka bas musi. Bakani ka attitude kumne ban pendon kami ki kan thai. Ban pen sajaya ki kum ban pen pau ban pen tieng ban pen smit ndai yaki wei bak ngin le kumne kata ka jing sngo baki la ban le halor ki kan thai ngan ongai phi kam sedang tang na katuka violence ti po ka sedang na kom perkhat chong ki brio kumno ki nyau ko ri ki kan thai bat nga tinga note ban ong bakalong ka bas musi bakata ka ethno nationalist politics mo bakshit ong kumtate kata ka jing persang ban ong ba ngin ya da tangi ki jaj bendre lo jong ndai ning kong pikro ti kan thai ba ma phim ya da na mar phim riam shu karyam tan rai ma phi long kum ta kum ne kadai ka chu kadai ka ni ka jing ru kom perkhat ru ka balam shadu shakum pitu ki jing le ru mar kata hang ni ha chlong amegalaya jong yiru yo I kar kom kran khor a social media na he ki kan thai ru ka jing pit po ni hap ban pen sange ya kan ka attitude misogyny baki ong ka khten phareng kalong ko hatred almost for women la ne phi sngo ba phi don bor la ban le ka ba phi mon ni hap ban sedang ban check ya kan ni na mahang ni hari jongi ru kala ban wan ja ko